Hi, my name is Carlene Marcus. I'm the owner of Marcus Dental Care and in Reston, Virginia. We have been in this office for, well, it will be 2 years in July. We moved in July of 2018. We moved from an office on Sunset Hills to an office on Sunrise Valley, just across the toll road. So I'd been over there for nearly 30 years, and this building was a little newer and nicer, and we decided to make the move. For us, it was very important to get someone who knew about dentistry because all of the chairs I pulled over from the old office, they had to incorporate them with the new chairs that I bought. And so I wanted everything to match and go together and, functionally be really good for the patient. So John's company was the one that we chose for that.
In our selection of the builder, after we made an exhaustive research of all of the building sites that we were offered in Reston, we decided to go with Liberty Construction and John Sonati because his team offered us not only design, engineering, build out, a completely compacted package for the build out, which gave us a full cadre of experience that he brought to the build out process and gave us the confidence that we could meet the occupancy date that was laid out in our contract.
We had the office running in the other site, and this one had to be ready and going at a certain time because we moved all of that equipment and I didn't have that office anymore, so we moved all the equipment over here. We took that week off and they went from that time to Monday to where we started seeing patients. It was amazing.
The factors of the John Sonati team where they worked with not only the movers, they worked with the Benco installers, they worked with that entire team and brought all of that together in a seamless manner that really kind of amazed me, actually, in the ultimatum.
The design just came from something that I had seen, but we tweaked it and John helped me make the front office a little bit bigger. He would write on the wall where he was going to design things. I have my office in the front where they usually have it way back in the back where, they're out of touch and they can't, because I like to talk to everybody whenever they come in and whenever they're leaving. So that worked out really well. We have 6 operatories right now, 2 for hygiene, 2 for me, and a couple for overflow. We have, they helped us build out a little bit bigger just so I could grow and eventually maybe bring somebody in. I'm kind of a neutral color person where, a lot of offices have really bright, bold colors, and I thought about that, but just kind of calming, kind of soothing, a little bit neutral. Some of the bold accent, like the dark, that was John's idea. Cocapelli is the one who, she would just, bring me everything and I'd say, okay, I like that, and I like that, and I like that. She was very, very easy to work with. And Benco, of course, is the dental supply. They brought everything together. Now, we would highly recommend Liberty and Liberty Construction Group just because they finished on time. They did everything that they said they were going to do. I didn't have any trouble talking to anybody about anything that I didn't like or I wanted to get better. They were right on it, and highly recommend this.
Thank you, John, for making this a wonderful experience. I know when I use the word wonderful, I'm thinking of you and your entire team. It's been a joy working with every member of your team, from the build-out guys, the engineers, the design team, to the electricians and the plumbers. We appreciate all of your assistance. It worked out so much better than what we ever imagined, and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. You did a great job. And Liberty Construction, we highly recommend you.